Because him said, your father, Jamaicans have a culture. Go and put them on spam people because of words. Well, on the F around and find out. Yeah? F-A-F-O.
You understand what I say? Interview is very look for the whole out a blogger them out. Who can pay a player for 50 clip right now with him a big them up, pick up a blogger? Me alone. I'm a dog. My blood that. So when I bring down the youth, I come out and I come defend him. You understand? I wouldn't like I come off the internet and I got tired to see my face. Every platform I go up on and make sure the word out there. You understand me? So I can't kill a youth career, but dog. I can't kill a career like you know take nothing to kill a man career, you know take nothing. I look on the hard work, them youth they used to suffer, dog.
I'm glad you said it. I'm glad you said it. Jamaica, I'm glad him say it. You wanna know why? I just say it. Jahvy and 450 them let me down, bro. Brother, I'm telling my God, Jamaica, you know, dog. I'm going to man them party, bro. Must go in 2024. I'm going to man them party, bro. When we look on crowd, when we look on all the artists, when we look on how Dina them come on stage and rap.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you see in look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give him a bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, super fragically, lesbially, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In a every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, we mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
The universe. Look at what we said. We Mr. Jamaica universe get corner.
He's connected.
Bro, I'm telling you, you know that.
Connected.
The reason why this hurt me, it hurt me for two reasons, bro. Hurt because J dogs, obviously. But it also hurt me to see how something so nonsensical is changing the trajectory of them people in life for the negative. Jahvy and 450, the whole of them man, they were power of the man them beat the odds people, the man them defeat poverty, the man them defeat all of the negativities them all on average Jamaican youth. The man them defeat it, the man them come out as reigning champions. Stand up on poverty neck and say, no way. Mommy can't eat, daddy can't eat, relatives can't eat, loved ones, friends can't eat. And the man them make words, make them dash for everything where them build for. It burned me because them are and it burned me because Jahvy forced it. Dash for everything, bro. That shit hurt me, bro. Me I watch Jahvy, the man come from rags to riches, bro. The man I show him did maga down and I ride bicycle and ray. And look for the man I ride big V's. A big V's the man in know. And because of ignorance, you walk up to a man and box a man. But you know, wherever I name, that's a I said I want girl box Jaii Frais. Come to what the girl name? Tell you what the girl name. Since you claim say I want girl box Jaii Frais, tell you what the girl name. Tell you what the girl name.
Name, what you mean?
Wanna know what the girl name?
That we say. Chat them a chat, them set him. Them set him so.
Nobody not talk about Simone paper. And them push my arms out I way. And so when the knockings and clapping start, Simone said she don't know how she not get rada. She don't know she busy, she don't know what I want. Since you don't want to come run couple narrative, we could talk about that, man. Want to Simone trauma now. She was just going to go out to a night of bubbling fun. Talk about that now. Since when I bring up one girl box the G, want to the girl want to push out of the way. We miss Jamaica universe. About that. We almost get out on our national treasure. Go talk about that, man.
Already, I mean, even link bro up a crap. I would say, yo, man, I run the podcast and that. I can't analyze and interpret. That's why me going on the business, I don't want to be a blogger. I want to be an analyst. Because if you analyze and interpret, it's a different thing that things that Jaii Frais do. Would natural TVJ and CV and Anthony Miller would have do that. You know what an interview can do to a man's career. Shabba Ranks did an interview and he mash up his career.
Where you to not
Two-time Grammy winner. The one interview mash up his career.
That's Jaii that you know. I know him.
Me no kiss Uzi like Free. That I mash up Jaii Frais name. People don't like Jaii Frais. I say Jaii Frais. I kiss it for Jaii Frais. Tongue it Jaii Frais. One bag of nastiness for put a dog name. He say if you never interact with it, you could have come and make them talk, yeah. But the fact that you interact with it, a man just something you like, you diss him, and him diss you back, and you reach out to so, you don't have no grounds to talk, man. Zero. For not a victim. He's a participant in everything we are going right now. Any amount of video we want to make, we are come and talk about it. Because them shouldn't box a man because him say your father. Jamaicans have a culture who want to put them on spam people because of words. Well, on the F around and find out. Yeah? F-A-F-O.
You understand what I say? Interview is very look on the whole amount of blogger them out there. Who can pay a player for 50 clip right now with him a big them up, pick up a blogger? Me alone. I'm a dog. My blood that. So when I bring down the youth, I come out and I come defend him. You understand? I would like I come off the internet and I got tired to see my face. Every platform I go up on and make sure a word out there. You understand me? So I can't kill a youth career, but dog. I can't kill a career like you know take nothing to kill a man career, you know take nothing. I look on the hard work, them youth they used to suffer, dog.
I'm glad you said it. I'm glad you said it. Jamaica. I'm glad him say it. You wanna know why? I just say it. Jahvy and 450 them let me down, bro. Brother, I'm telling my God, Jamaica, you know, dog. I'm going to man them party, bro. Must be about 2024. I'm going to man them party, bro. When we look on crowd, when we look on all the artists, when we look on how Dino them come on stage and what happened? Who's part Dino did? Dino never did it. No, Dino never did it. We did it, though. The man them come from rags to riches, dog. The man them come from nothing to something. And throw it all away, bro.
All away. See them with the gun.
The man them throw it all away. And just Jahvy life mash up now, you know. And just Jaii Frais life mash up now, you know. The American youth life mash up, you know. The party promoter life mash up, you know. The security guard where they at the gate life mash up, you know.
Jaffrey life no mash up. Turn star. What the
American youth said in bicep blown out. Right. You know when American them say blown out. You know what me I visualize like one big hole in my bicep. Like my bicep must bust out. In bicep trim, bust.
The police shot them there.
And if the surgeon go good, he might lose the use of that arm. So many lives get changed permanently because of what comes out of here. No, to the fragile males. Me ask you this, bro. Was that worth it?
Yo, let me tell you this, man. You see? They blowing out something there, like when the American them say, yo, I blew her back out. You know? Yeah. It's a sexual talk, you see me? But differently still, them say the gun with Jaffrey disarm belongs to a police and them a wall it down, them a keep it quiet and the hush, you see me? So that's why the shots are deadly too, you see me? Them police yeah, have some of the most deadly shot them, you see me? The 7.62 them, no 5.5 is in their gats, boy.
I'm getting a little bit toasty in this bitch. I need to turn that AC up. Me ask you know, was it worth it? Me ask you know, bro, on a big man level, was it worth it? It not worth it.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's yours for me to It's yours for me to If you gotta, let me search it. No, you know how they gotta work it. It's yours for me to It's yours for me to I like to go, yes, I can show you. Give me your number so I can phone you. Do what you don't and then you don't ya. None of things and then it won't ya.
It not worth it, brother. It's gonna reach. I want to level which part. And yet to include woman out of the way as well, you know. Push the man cat out of the way. Talk about female involvement too. Yeah, talk about what him do to make him get in another position there.
We don't even talk about the incident and all that. I bring on the youth dog.
Cap. Everybody saying you shouldn't do what you do. That's what people saying. You shouldn't do what you do. We mean nobody not talk about the incident. So if people weren't talking about the incident, how are they blaming your friend them for everything? When you not come out here try to build certain narrative, bro, and I remember when I come out here smarter than people, bro. People are listening to him. People are not hearing that, bro. We're hearing you loud and clear, fam.
Cloud the boy.
Come on, man. Your mom in HD with the 999, them send them a road and bust them head. Oh, let's continue, people. I mess up.
That's the boy the name.
Judge, you have to make a money because guess what? Entertainment system is like, I don't realize that. So yo, he versus the system, dog. Are we versus the system? Jaii Frais, like man side if you depend, dog.
What? Boy,
are we versus the fucking system right now?
Crabbing a barrel, people. You hear them about our system now. But just the other day, them do want to sink a man by boxing him and publicly embarrassing him. And word in the street, them do have somebody a videotape it too. So what them do want to do? Clout up the man, video, drop it, and then drop song Monday morning. But it never work. Them about system and togetherness. When them are the ones who are pushing the wicked.
Yeah, just like Mosquito, you see the universe talk. That's why the universe want to watch this, you know. You see me? Because I'm not really much of a fan of Imara, you know, or way more name Negus, seal it, you see me? And him know that. Him know this. You know this. I would say that in an Alkaline song. You see me? But you know this. Yeah, seal it. Now, the boy that does that, I'm going to tell you something about him. You see him? I know him good. I post him on my channel already, you know, if you not go look forward for the video where my title Kishima, when I dep on Kishima live. Yes. You see me? The video title with CV. He's an alkaline vlogger, right? It name there in the title too. CV, DNR news and reviews. Theme channel title in the video. So go look for it. You see me? I might cut PSPs. But that's him the dep on the live with me, DNR, the alkaline vlogger you there. I'm run him off of the live. You see me? I'ma fix that one here to Dazak. I'm done. You see me? Client that him come from, you know, you see me? And him say him have him radio show, WhatsApp radio sitting. So I clout him I do this for, you see me, whether or not 450 them I'm friend, because him now make no sense at all. And that is what happen when you're picking up for the guilty. You see me? Guiltiness! Yeah, you see me? All hidden them, you see me? Yeah. So me go end this cause I not see nothing right here, so where, you see me? For really, we really having a challenge for me go try for clear up. Yes, right. So Daza him name, Daza, and he's a hater of the Gaza, but yet still him imitate the Gaza with him name about Daza. You see me? Use the D upon the Gaza. He's a little idiot that, you see me? And he hate the Gaza. And that's what these Vybz Kartel haters do, these Gaza haters. Them always seal. Them always a bridge the current off of the Gaza. For them have like a light over for them side, you see me? All blurt not ticks them, parasitic, blood sucking, patty licking, 450 shitting MFKRs them, you see me? Yeah, man, remember, you know, Jaffrey are free up, you see me? 6 o'clock, pan the dot, and when it drop, Jaffrey free on top, pan the dot. Yeah, I start at work. But let me tell you what the stipulation we're going forward with Jaffrey now. Yeah, so when them let him out, them I go want him for reside here in Jamaica because he actually live abroad, you know what I'm saying? I don't think that makes him a US citizen, but yes, he is somewhat a US citizen because that is where he reside. And I don't know how that's gonna work for them to tell him that he can't leave the country, because that's what the universe is showing me. And we expect to see some biasness, more unfair biasness, because I've already predicted it. And we've seen where they have Jaffrey overstaying in jail behind the bars while he's injured and suffering from, you know, gunshot wound that obviously haven't been properly treated and been taken care of, you know what I mean? Because when you undergo such treatment and such experience, then it only calls for the best time and moments for you to relax. And what Jaffrey has been doing after or as he got shot, it's a total opposite. He have no time to really nurse or to really aid his wound, you know what I mean? Or properly aid his wound, because he should be in bed at home getting taken care of. And with all this going on, he has to be up and down in cuffs, you know, police custody, beer crosses. But you know, Jaffrey not really suffer nothing, you know, because in order to go up, we have to go down sometime a little bit, you know. In order to go forward, we have to take a few step blocks. So this is just what is going on, and this is just the process for Jaffrey, you know what I mean? And he's blessed to be, you know, in the best situation here. Despite him getting shot and him getting attacked, you know, he's still in the best position because he has the people support, the majority, and majority rule. And in court, ruling is what rules the order. So therefore, all the signs is there with Jaffrey, the signs and wonders of the time that you guys should know how to watch. I ain't worried. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. I ain't got no worries. Move them well curry. I ain't got no worries. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? So Jaffrey is good. Y'all don't need to worry. Don't need to fret. You know? Any mark get set, we can bet any amount on one for bet. You see me? Because me are the new contender. Without a doubt, New York Times report about. And if any guy this, me won't allow it. Get him tooth fly, get kick out a mouth. You know, see the time when me live out a east. You know, hear much crime when me did out a south. Car when the 9 with the big sprout pop out. Left as well looking kind of like the bounce about. Pan the ground knockout. At the roundabout. Slash him throat, slash out. At the roundabout. Boom. All the mouse black out. Yo, I eat that in a people.
Yeah, man, all of a sudden a system, man.
In a Barbara Balbo system. In a Barbara Balbo system. Tin catty. In a Balbo system. You see it? At the universe. Tamily win. You see me? You see that? Them a Balbo system. The loser of the event, a Balbo system. Jahvy and 450, them representative named Daza from Clarendon. You was a little fool, you know. I say anyone go watch the video, you see, oh, him a blood not dead over Kishima, and Kishima now look upon him. Kishima even tired of him. He not stop talk, but him want interview Kishima and Ray Ray, and Kishima tired of him. Cause who is he? He's the nobody. You know what I mean? Compared to her. And he's running down her for interview because he's a follower of her. And he thinks that because he's following her for some time and he has been actively interacting with her, he believes that he is she's obligated to now give him interview. Some people love to pass them place. I'm glad I said that because now we are go forward to the popcorn situation, Zin, because we said forward black up on the internet, Zin, and me did say this at them time, the Zin, I'm gonna say it again for dropping out the algorithm, Zin. Now this is why Cargo did have to block me, because as I say, I do a video about Cargo recently, saying block me, because the last show he performed here in Jamaica, must in a St. Ann or Watchy, I see him St. Ann Watchy there. But one of them places them performing in the country, and the crowd was dead, but his performance was great, high energy. People in the comments felt as if the crowd really done they done Cargo bad, you know what I mean? Because they just standing there, no motion in the crowd, and there's a lot of people there, you know? And so I made a comment saying that, yo, the crowd dead. Cargo took that as me saying he never did a good job. And I also made 2 comments. I'm sure he's feeling shameful when he saw the second one, right? Which he failed to see first, because I said, I made a second comment saying, great job, Cargo, and the crowd, Ray, you know? So I made 2 comments before he had blocked me. He's a fucking fool. And that's what I told you in a couple of my videos, that intelligent people and dunce bad people can't be friends for too long, because dunce people don't have the intelligence for know how to talk to intelligent people at times. Them a go fall off, because if a dunce person and an intelligent person start par, whatever caused them for have that, for say eye to eye and for have that connection. And you know, it can be something where went down, some event where they meet and then them become friends, or you know, boyfriend and girlfriend or whatever friends. You see me I say? So you see, once that go on good, here what go happen now. The dunce people them dunce and them always dunce. So them are gonna do something wrong, say something wrong, right? And feel like say what them do shouldn't be no consequence, because them not see no fault in what them say or what them do, right? But intelligent people, them have to go really love that dunce people there for make all of that slide. See me I say? And the intelligent people only put themselves at risk if them allowing the red flags by these dunce people where them are friend with. If them allow these red flags and these signs for just go unnoticed, right? When dunce people and intelligent people are friend, and the dunce people, them might do these foolishness where can get anyone upset, we have sense. You know what I mean? Sometimes the intelligent people will just brush it off, shrug it off, and make it go unnoticed or seem like, say, you know, I just them that. But them are put themselves at risk when you allow them thing to slide. That's why you're not a friend with certain people, right? Unless you plan to educate them while you go along. And with dunce people, them not like when you educate them too much. The only way them will stick around for your education is if you have money or something with them attached to. You get me I say? Like them will know, say this intelligent youth have money and be a vehicle, you know, so I go listen to him every time him talk. You get me I say? But them not really apply the knowledge where the intelligent rich man I tell them or rich woman I tell them. You see me I say? Because that is dunce people. You see, you have intelligent people that knows very too little, you know. You know what I'm saying? You have intelligent people that know little to nothing, right? But the reason why they're intelligent is because they are aware and they're actually doing something about it. They're trying to learn to read. They're progressing. But dunce people, they rather stay ignorant and rather complain and cry about like, you know, they would be embarrassed when people find out that they probably can't read, or they lack something, right? They would be so ashamed. The real dunce people who who know little to nothing as well, but they're comfortable and they fail to try to do anything about it. They rather people comfort them and show compassion for their flaws instead of hearing some motivation, getting some great advice of them, doing something about it. Take action, go do some classes, take some courses. Dunce people are gonna reject that because that is like something hard to them. They're like, no, I'm running from that all my life. I'm not going. It's like a nightmare when you're telling dunce people about books. It's like a nightmare because they've been running from it ever since their toddler years, their school years. Right? And now that they're an adult and you're going to tell them to go read a book when they have been running from books for years? Are you crazy? That is dunce people for you. But the intelligent people who lacks knowledge or know little to nothing, they're intelligent because they're actually doing something. Actions speak louder than words. It's an action. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm going to end this right here, yeah. You know?